guys, pack up na kami. We all done. Sobrang hirap ng today. Grabe, na-stress kami. Yung pinaka-ending, nag-TikTok kami. Grabe. I think that was the most difficult, guys. Doon talaga yung nilabas ko yung talent ko. Right? Charmaine was able to actually do TikTok. She's hella cool. Her first TikTok is with us. Yes. Diba? With Ma. I'm so excited.
The next day.
Third day, and a lot of new actors are here. And guess who?
Hey there!
Wow! This guy has a Kumu serye and a lot of guestings. And guess what? Walang internet!
Oh,
Hindi lang yun, wala ng ilaw.
Die! Die!
Yesterday.
This was happening. Welcome to my office, Sister Secrets, where you shop, share, and socialize. Eliza Valdez was actually one of our endorsers.
Wow!
Big artist also.
Did you guys talk about that?
Yeah, we mentioned it. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's my radio station. Monster Radio RX 93.1. All out!
Sample nga ng like how you outro intro song.
Hello, Sana's Monster Radio RX 93.1. We're doing it right now. And guess who's here? Karen Gordador is back in the house.
Oh.
She's out and about.
Yeah.
So here. Whew. Yeah, how everything just, you know, falls.
Oh no!
Straight to judgment time. Just like in life, you know? You're sky high and then you die. Everyone falls sometimes, but most important thing is you rise and get back to the world where there's sunlight. Jordy making me gaya again.
I'm gonna end this. Thank you. That was rough. I pulled through though. Got the emotion that I aimed for, and I think I did good.
I think he's the best actor now.
The next day.
Hindi niya alam kung paano niya gagawin to, guys. Paano mo i-fake ang ilaw?
Hindi ko alam. Maybe dapat manggaling na lang siya from the inside.
Mag-beat na lang from the inside.
Glow from the inside.
And this guy wears sunglasses. And wala nang ilaw. Mag-sunglasses pa siya. Paano niya makikita yung ginagawa niya, di ba?
Nag-sunglasses ako sa stream. So, paano na lang, di ba?
Ang dami mong gagawin, no? Ang dami mong ganap. Magsasawa na ako sa Ben, ha? Puro na lang Ben na ikita ko, ha?
Kakasimula ko pala, magsasawa ka na kaagad.
Hindi pala. Never ako magsasawa kay Ben. Lalo yung mga organs.
Good.
Vitamin B. We all need vitamin B. Vitamin Ben.
Wow.
Don't forget vitamin.
Ano? No, don't go there. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Wala na.
What's that?
He has given up.
What's that? Oh my
Wala.
God.
Ito yung mukha na walang internet, guys. Dito yung walang internet. Sponsor niyo po ang wifi namin.
Wi-Fi, please.
Wala mo na kaming data. Kamusta ang showbiz life?
Ayun, ano naman?
Wow!
So, feeling mo showbiz ka na?
Showbiz? Oo, showbiz. Hindi, ano naman? Open pa naman.
Ito po yung high life, oh. Nandyan siya sa floor. This is the high life, guys.
So may bed naman, hindi ko pinipili kung po sa bed.
Oo, ganun siya ka down to earth. Oo.
I'm just so frustrated. Walang wifi and wala lang. Hindi ko lang, okay naman yung place.
Maganda yung place, yeah.
Ang ganda siya for peaceful,
Yeah,
kind of.
but he's not about peace right
Yeah,
now.
not about peace, guys.
He's about wrecking the internet and the Kumu world.
And the thing is, I have this place where I would literally sing.
Guys, magsiswimming siya, kunwari sa dagat, dito sa Tagaytay habang it's super windy and tahimik. Tapos gigising lahat ng mga ghosts, guys.
Oh no!
Gigising ni Ben lahat.
Tapos yung place pero medyo parang may ghost. para siyang Baguio actually. It's a retreat house.
Yeah.
So definitely expect for, you know,
Noise from Benedict's Ramos. Woohoo!
no noise from the ghosts.
For taping, guys, Ben and I are doing TikToks. Kasi I'm gonna be leaving in an hour, and then after that, taping na. Actually, I haven't even packed kasi after my taping, I go home. And I have a shoot tomorrow for a magazine cover. By the time this video is out, the magazine's out na by March 1. Or basta, start ng March. So, ayan, we're bonding with TikTok and a lot of kwentos. I miss my Ben. Aww. Nandito kami sa grotto. Nagti-TikTok nang Google ako kay Mama Mary. So fun! I'm getting to meet a lot of new friends, actors, and people that are actually very chill. Hopefully, it's going to be like this all the time. Syempre, I'm gonna be working with people I don't know, but it's nice to start it off like this. That everyone's very level-headed, down-to-earth, very easy to work with, and they're just all nice. It's a good way to start my year. Diba? Positive lang tayo, guys. Oh, yeah. So this guy finally found internet in my room, and this girl taught me, yeah, so gorgeous, and teaching me what's a great way to, memorize lines. So, ganito yun.
Paulit, di ko narinig. Sorry.
Type mo yung mga lines mo.
Tinuro sa akin ni Kyla.
Per scene.
How do you do this?
Okay, right now it's 118. It's
Yeah,
118.
It's 118. It's 118.
I love it.
I sound so professional.
I know, and look at her. Apparently, hindi na pala nagpe-print ng mga scripts.
Yeah.
I thought-
printed. I bought a printer.
Yeah, you
for
bought
this.
it.
I got a printer for this.
I love it. I look like I have abs, guys.
Yeah.
Abs.
Yung mga, tinuro sa akin ni,
Lou just gave me a lipstick kasi sabi ko, kailangan ko ng matte na nude lipstick.
I don't know if you like it. Kasi ganyan din yung uso na medyo brownish. Oh! I like it. Yes! Yes! May lighter pa yan. So. Like peachy.
Yeah. Mga peachy. It's
But
actually
this
nice.
looks really nice on you.
Okay,
this
fine.
tone. It's like reddish.
Yeah.
Brownish.
Alright.
Yung uso ngayon.
I see.
Gorgeous.
Ah.
And then you usually like blur it out sa mga sa
Hindi ko alam, may blur pa.
yeah, igaganon mo lang siya. So it's like hindi uso ngayon yung mga liner.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, it's starting to Euphoria, but if you want like super soft, kinda uso yung mga Korean
Pati yung lipstick malabo, Love Life na nga malabo.
Diba?
Lipstick pa. Oh my gosh! Gosh, ang dami ng malabo
I love it.
It's nice, I like it. She's introducing me to her makeup world.
Yung BBB luggage.
Oh, this is your BB luggage,
Yeah.
me too! That's what I brought, BB luggage.
Ito, here.
Naka-jeep pa? Oh my gosh! Tinanggal ko yung akin kasi ayoko masyadong nakasunod kasi celebrity house.
Yeah.
Parang nahihiya ako.
Ay, talaga? May words na nakalagay.
Oo, nahihiya ako eh. Natin na welcome.
Ako, I like it. It's like,
It's so... You even have a passport. Where are you flying?
yeah, I'm the same as Jordan.
He brought his
Nawala yung
passport.
ID ko, so, yeah.
Guys, this is our pinaka-serious na shooting wherein we're gonna give all our lines
Yes.
to the camera.
I'm
One
super
take
scared,
lang.
but you know what? So what? Kaya natin yung hama ni Kuya.
Oo naman. Wala lang yun.
Soon after.
We're on the set already. I looked at Kumu. Guess who's live? Smack outside the door. Outside the door. Obvious, his room. Nakanap nga siya ng internet pero nasa labas siya ng pintuan. Finally, nakakonect na siya.
Yeah.
And may ginamit siya kay Lou.
Yeah, hikaw.
Yung hikaw. Ng SIM card niya. So, Ben, balik mo na daw yung hikaw ni Lou. Tingnan mo naman, kawawa. Parang na-lock out sa kwarto. So weird. It does look like wow.
Okay, good ka, Pampi? Stella.
Why?
Tuloy, medyo mainit. So, pag lang tayo ng regular breaks na parang like if we need to they can...
Guys,
Hi.
saan ang monitor, mga bebe? rehearsal tayo, nakasarehan yan. Yes.
Ito si Mayora. Miss Carla is the Mayora. Very strict lady.
Ito na yung bago niyong kasama.
Waiting.
Sinisili ko lang. Kasi sabi niya,
Behind bars.
ang light, di ba? Sabi kanina siya sa'yo.
A little later.
Guys, I have here Miss Jenna Mases. Tapos nagkaroon na rin siya ng MMK. Ngayon, she's an actress. Pero she's also doing a lot of commercials. A lot of like appearances on movies, TV. Pero ang ganda po ng story niya. Kasi siya din po, you know, binahagi niya yung story niya sa MMK back in 2013. And isa po siyang rape victim. And then, ngayon, how do you how are you coping now? Nakaget over na ba po kayo? Does it still traumatize you? Has your story been the reason why na parang mas malakas kayo? Anong nababahagi niyo sa mga tao? Gusto ba yung So kahit anong mangyari sa kahit sino dyan, look at us, diba? We're standing tall, moving forward, tsaka mabuti ang mundo, diba? Hindi dahil nangyari sa atin, ibig sabihin nun, na we should fear the unknown. So, dapat diba, go lang tayo.
Talagang buhay, no?
Living testimony. Huwag tayong ma-stuck sa past. Huwag tayo sa future. And the present, of course. Dahil dyan, galing. Cool. Carry.
Toy. Opo, direct. Yung lalapat din nila. Lizzie.
Thank you.
Lizzie. Liza. Palagay ka palang doon. Habang nagdadayo ng lugar sila. Diba dyan ka? Dito ka lang. Kunyari maglalagay ka. Action na maglalagay ka. Kasi diba ka ng comedy? Action! Yeah, go!
Siyempre, diretso ka na uwi pagkatapos ng hili mo.
Prepare na kasi si Mami yung ako eh. Ito, wala na rin sa pan. Malayan nga talaga.
Ha?
Guys, binabayaran po sila para matulog. Paid to sleep. Gusto ko po yung trabahong yon. It's 12 midnight, guys. Oh, no! Overshoot in a few hours. In Manila, good luck to me. It's gonna be super fun. That's not sarcastic. Girl is playing as Jing. What's her name? Marlena. Ikaw yung fresh version niya kasi medyo 40s na siya eh. Hindi joke lang, Jing.
Hindi, okay pa yan. Fresh pa yun si Mami.
Oo, diba? Thank you for playing the part. Yay! Yes. Aww.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nandiyan nakaharap. Tapos yung hindi nakaangat na pa-turn na, yung pag natutulog, yes, mag-turn ka lang talaga, anak. So, nung mag-turn ka gano'n, alam mo parang pag nag-turn na, aalip ko ka, careful sa ulo, anak ha. Yes, let's go.
Happy birthday, Karen!
Happy birthday, Karen! It's my birthday. It's the
Much later.
Gosh, guys, it's a wrap! It's a wrap! Yay! Thank you!
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, ano ba? We're gonna...
Behind bars. Yan, dyan ka.
All the cellmates. Ayun. Em, sumama ka. Cellmate ka eh.
Tara na, atak na din.
Okay, Emmy, pasok sa frame. 1, 2, 3. Ang galing. Opo, opo.
Thank you everyone.
Meron ka nga pala sa akin.
It's okay, so I'm going to keep my yellow shirt. I want one. She wants one too. Okay. Ay, si Mr. Ay, ito. Mr. Stella.
Ay, sige.
Okay lang?
Sige, sabihan natin din sila, sila ate.
Pwede? Oo. Para may remembrance kami, diba? I just with Stella. It's so nice. Yay! It's nearly 4 AM, guys. Yes! Where? Yes! I don't know. Oh, yes, po. You get to bring your yellow shirt.